I'm Kelly McGuire with the TMC Newsroom, and here are today's top stories. A Los Angeles, California-based SIP provider has teamed up with a provider of IP Unified Communication Solutions to let companies integrate IP-based communications with business processes for a more collaborative and productive environment. AireSpring announced it is integrating its SIP trunking products with ShoreTel's distributed UC platform. With the certification, ShoreTel and AireSpring customers can have access to SIP trunking solutions and cost-effective communications. ShoreTel helps organizations of all sizes integrate communications with businesses and operational processes. The company's architecture extends enterprise-class voice, video, data, and messaging services to every office, letting employees be connected wherever they go. AireSpring's SIP trunking delivers voice-over IP SIP solutions, helping organizations receive low rates on calls. The company's SIP trunking product helps organizations scale their UC systems when used with ShoreTel's UC solutions. In addition, it addresses the needs of growing companies or organizations looking for integration and scalability. Thanks to the growing interest in the technology, SIP trunking adoption is on the rise. According to a recent Infinetics research report, about 39% of survey respondents have already deployed SIP. Additionally, the report found that by 2010, SIP trunking will likely become the second most commonly deployed trunking service. Many companies are working towards perfecting the smart grid initiatives by donating funds, while others are joining with research work and projects to perfect the movement. However, one company, a startup at that, is now offering services to utility companies interested in pursuing smart grid enhancements. The recently formed Intelligent Grid Solutions LLC, or IGS, designs, builds, and manages smart grid networks and applications for electric utility clients. And since the smart grid networks are built and operated over existing power lines and distribution grids, thus creating new high-speed communications networks that touch all homes and businesses, the company's services are essential in the telecom segment. IGS will also create technical services to support various implementations, maintenance, and communications for smart grid applications. The company said that the new company offers a proprietary software product known as GridEye that essentially integrates all operating data metrics into a single command and control dashboard that displays customized information and feedback for IGS's utility clients and network operators to use in managing their businesses more effectively and efficiently. Kodiak Cable Company, an Alaskan-based middle-mile fiber provider, is seeking funds from the federal government to expand its undersea fiber optic cable. The carrier was one of 2,200 applicants seeking broadband stimulus funds from the National Telecommunications and Information Administration, or NTIA. In all, applications submitted from various organizations, cities, and states totaled $28 billion. Kodiak wants to enhance communication service in Alaska by extending the company's existing fiber link system via submarine fiber optic cable from Narrow Cape on Kodiak Island to the Aleutian Islands and western Alaska. The company submitted an application to the Rural Utility Service for a $173 million loan and a $172 million grant to lay 3,500 miles of new fiber. The company is offering $84 million towards the project. In addition, Kodiak has submitted an application to the NTIA for an additional $250 million in grants, while the company is offering to match equally. Though some companies question the viability of undersea cabling, United Utilities Incorporated, or UUI, which filed a separate application for government funds, cautioned against going underseas. UUI said a hybrid fiber optic and microwave broadband middle-mile network would maximize use of terrestrial routes to minimize the possibility of lengthy, expensive-to-repair service outages caused by breaks in submarine fiber optic cables. Cables can be locked under sea ice for up to half a year. In the application, UUI's parent company, GCI, Alaska's largest telecom and cable services provider, said it would guarantee any loan granted by the RUS and purchase middle-mile capacity from UUI, the report said. Yet, Kodiak said that the subsea route is the only technically feasible and cost-effective way to achieve its goal. That's all for today. For more information, please visit www.tmcnet.com. I'm Kelly McGuire with the TMC Newsroom, and until next time, thanks for watching.